Oh, my friends, it's Sean Vigue, SeanVigueFitness.com. I'm not in Colorado right now. I had an impromptu trip to come home to Wisconsin for some family stuff. But I really want to get this video out to you. This is a yoga for men hip openers, opening this entire area: hips, hip flexors, lower back, abdominals, glutes, and a lot of other things spring up. I'm here on the asphalt, the concrete. That's fine. You don't have to be on this, but you know, I'm here and I really want to get this video filmed for you. I was out for my evening walk and I couldn't get anywhere else, but I'm good here. Are you good here? Comment below, check in below. It's a little chilly tonight. I have a special red cap, a red theme going. Where's the tag for the back? Okay. And I hope the lighting's all right. So, opening the hips, breathing in the nose and out the nose. Let's start with a seated cross-legged position. You may have not known this, but this is considered a stretch right here. It can be a little tight, and remember that I do these stretches a lot, so I'm gonna be pretty loose. You might be there, you might not be there yet, but practice, practice. So cross one leg over the other. We're gonna sit, we're gonna drop the shoulders back and down. We're gonna take a few deep breaths in the nose and out the nose, hands on the knees, and with each exhale, give a little press down. It's a gradual stretch, but after only about 10 minutes, it is profound. So inhale, feel that lift through the crown of the head, and as you exhale, shoulders down, chest open, and opening the hips, always emphasizing very good posture and alignment. 3 more breaths. Good. Draw that belly button in towards the spine as you exhale. And relax, relax. A lot of the tension in our hips and this whole area is caused just by the mind. The mind will tighten it up. Let it go. Let the mind and body work in tandem. All right, one more breath. In the nose and out the nose. Breathe into the abdominals, into the sides, into the back. And then exhale, let it all out, and don't worry, we will not forget about the other side. So switch the legs, check the surroundings. I'm behind an elementary school here. It's, you know, after hours. 5 breaths right here. So we're releasing. We have IT bands, we have glutes, we have lower back, hips, hip flexors. Let it go. I'd like to give you these nice practical poses and stretches that you can do anywhere. Good. 3 more breaths. We got it. Releasing. Encourage some blood flow. Good. 1 more breath. More proficient in our breathing with every inhale and exhale. Good. Belly button drawing in. Now come to a butterfly position. Quick shake out of the legs. That light, I don't know what that looks like up there. Hopefully it looks okay. Bottoms of the feet together. And the old butterfly. We do this in school, do it in track, football, whatever sport you play. We've probably done the butterfly. I want you to rock it back and forth. So the hands are on the feet. Going to go back and forth, so we get some nice limberness in the spine as well. I don't just want to attack one section. We want to get as much as we can, bring it all in, and release it all. So press down, getting some movement. Also takes our mind off a stretch if it gets really intense. Lets us loosen up, and then have a go at it in a nice relaxed way. Now rock it to the left. I'll mirror you. Place your forearm here. This knee might be up here, that's fine. I want you to take your hand, with each exhale, press down. 5 breaths. Each exhale, sink it down. The more you get comfortable with this routine, you can hold these stretches longer. That's up to you. The power is yours. Always do it based on personal need and preference. Especially if a stretch is really starting to work for you, starting to release, it feels great. It's feeling very profound, life-changing. Don't jump out of it. Stay in it longer. Good, there we go. Dropping that knee down. With each exhale, you're releasing. You're letting your body go back into its natural alignment so it can work at 100%. All right, now other side. My toes are getting slightly cold. full stretching. So excited to come out here and do this, because wherever we are, we can drop down and we can make a huge difference in our health and fitness. Good. You feel this little tug back here in the piriformis, the erectors, the lower back area, lumbar area. You want movement. You want circulation of blood. Halloween, yes. Okay, nice, delightful stretch. Again, let's shake out the legs. I'm always like a kid in a candy store in any of these videos. There's so many neat options. Let's do the supine butterfly. Keeping with the butterfly theme. Hannibal Lecter would be proud. So bottoms of the feet together. We can start here. Hi. Or bring the feet down. Hands on the legs. Options. One is gently press down. I like to press down and push also. I go side to side, so you're getting some openness here, a lot of circulation in the groin, the psoas, the hips, and we're getting some traction in the spine, some stretching in the back. Let's do 5 breaths. Breathe in the nose, out the nose. When you breathe in, let the stomach lift. As you exhale, pull that belly button in, so we're actually toning the abdominals and increasing our oxygen uptake ability. Am I on camera? I hope I'm on camera. Okay. Oh, I love this stretch. I do this at night, usually when I'm watching an old movie on TCM. Okay, we're just gonna go right into it. Figure 4 stretch. Take your right ankle on top of the left thigh. Oh, let me spin around. You can see it. It's here, right arm in between, left arm outside, and we pull. Now you keep pulling. Let me make sure the camera stays there. 5 breaths. Each exhale, pull close towards you. Use this right elbow to press open this hip. You can also extend this left leg up, get a jolly good stretch in the calf and the hamstring. And why are we doing any of this, you might ask? Well, increase athletic performance, move better, move with more mobility and flexibility, avoid pain, avoid discomfort, avoid bad moods from the pain and discomfort. There's many, many reasons. And sometimes we never really know what exists on this side, this stretching side, if we don't go for it. I'm talking too much. Let's do one more breath. I've been walking for a while. I was itching to talk to you. All right, let's switch sides. Figure 4 stretch. Left arm in between, right arm on the outside. Each exhale, we pull. You could do a little rocking side to side also. I like to extend this leg. You can also flex this foot. We get more of a stretch in the calf. I am a huge champion of maximizing the time that we have to do the most quality work. Good. Does that feel good? Are you feeling this stretch? You feeling some movement? Movement to the right positions. Okay, shake out the legs. Let's do one more. Got one more stretch. I have about 20 more in my head right now, but fire log. I just heard a chorus out there of, oh. Let me tell you something. You can go back to butterfly, classic butterfly here. Hinge forward, hands on the feet, open. If you want more, this is more intense. You're gonna take, I'll mirror you on this. Take your right leg, bend it. Place your left ankle on top of the right thigh. Congratulations, and this is your first foray into fire log. It is an adventure you will never forget. I'm gonna scooch back a little bit. Now we can stay here, we can press, or just walk forward. 5 breaths, it's a much more intense angle. Boom. Okay. And I won't tell you where you're feeling this. You're gonna feel it on your own. 3 more breaths. Excellent. Let it travel up your spine. Hold longer or switch sides or stay in the butterfly. Your hips are square to start, and move organically. If you're feeling a nice stretch with a little side-to-side rocking, investigate that. I used to be hung up on how we would stretch in high school, in PE class, or in track or tennis. Some of those stretches were very good, but there is so much more to them, as we discover with each passing year. Variations and add-ons. Never settling. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, the fire log. Let's bring it up and shake out the legs. Thanks for joining me from this spot. Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me. Down.